Welcome 7th standard. I am going to teach exercise 10.3 question number 2. In this question they ask us to construct isosceles triangle. So what is meaning of isosceles triangle? Isosceles means two side will be equal. Equilateral triangle means three side equal. Isosceles means two side will be equal. So in which the length of each side na end side equal இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா, that two sides is equal to 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. So in this question they didn't give any name, so we can name as we like. As usual, draw a rough diagram for the given question. So draw a rough diagram. In this question they ask us to draw isosceles triangle whose side is 6.5 centimeter. So triangle three sides will be there. In this two side is 6.5 centimeter, so one side is 6.5 and another side is 6.5, and the angle between them in the rendu line ku nadula irukka angle, that is called the angle between them is 110 degree. So as usual, this previous question, draw baseline. What is centimeter? Baseline centimeter is 6.5 centimeter. So draw baseline and we can name, I named it as ABC, so A, B is 6.5. So after drawing line, if angle is given, we want to give importance for angle. You know how to use productor. So you keep productor on this A. Angle is 110 degree. So as usual, here 110 degree is there, here 110 degree is there, two side 110 degree is there. You may have confusion that where you want to mark. So 90க்கு கீழே இருந்ததுன்னா எந்த பாயிண்ட், இப்போ இன்கேஸ் 90க்கு கீழே இருக்குது, 90க்கு மேலே தான் 110 இருக்குது. அப்போது 90க்கு மேலே இருக்குன்னா அப்போ 90யோட பெருசாக இருக்குது. ஒருவேளை நாம் இந்த லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன கிடைக்கும், இந்த லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணால் என்ன கிடைக்கும், 90க்கு மேலே அப்படின்னால என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், அந்த பர்டிகுலர் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து 90க்கு மேலேனா மவுத் ஓப்பனாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கணும். ஒருவேளை நம்ம இந்த லைன் எடுத்தோம்னா மவுத்து க்ளோஸாக இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்குது. அப்போ we should not take this one. For this point 110 degree we want to take this line. So we should not take this one. So here 110 degrees there. This degree is only used to join. So join this one with the scale and mark it as 110 degree. Next one is again want to draw one more side with 6.5 centimeter. So measure 6.5 centimeter and keep on A. Draw arc. This two intersection point is called C. So AC is also 6.5 cm. In this question they didn't give any name. They gave like statement, we are making our own alphabets and with the given measurements. So we drew all the three sides, all the three measurements, but third side is not joined. So since it is triangle, we want to join the third one, but we cannot, since the question is not asked that measure. இந்த measure பண்ண சொல்லல, சும்மா line draw பண்ணா போதும். So we draw an isosceles triangle for the given measurement. And the third question of this exercise is triangle ABC is given with BC is 7.5 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter, and measure angle C is 60 degree. So as usual, draw rough diagram. So I draw a rough diagram. Usually we will draw ABC like this, but in this question AB is not given, only these two and only this angle is given. So anyway, we can take anything as base. We should not take only AB as base. We can take anything as base. So if we have confusion, draw diagram again. So if we have confusion, take anything as base. Which we are going to take it as? We shall take it as BC as base. So BC is 7.5 centimeter. Children, this diagram is correct diagram. If we have confusion, so இங்கே பேஸ்லைன் எந்த வேல்யூ இல்லை, எனக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா பேஸ்லைனுக்கு வேல்யூ வர மாதிரி இந்த டயக்ராமை திருப்பி வரைஞ்சிக்கோ, அவ்வளோதான். So here BC, then definitely here A should come. அப்போ BC வரைஞ்சாச்சு, மீதி என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்குது? CA. Where is CA? CA is 5 centimeter. Then where is angle? Angle C. This is 60 degree. So we can draw diagram according to this. This also correct only. But if you have confusion, you can change the diagram and draw. First we want to draw baseline. Baseline is 7.5 centimeter. So keep scale and measure 7.5 centimeter. Name it as, this is B, this is C. Then after that, if angle is given, definitely you want to give importance for angle. So you know how to use protractor. Keep protractor and 60 degree. Here 160 is there, here 160 is. Just now I told you 60 degree இன்றது 90க்கு கம்மியாக இருக்குது. அப்போ மவுத்து க்ளோஸாக தான் இருக்கணும். So we want to take this 60 degree and just join this. Make it as 60 degree. See, I forgot to write this measurement, 7.5 centimeter. After that, at C, keep compass at C and draw an arc of how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. So measure 5 centimeter. Draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Keep compass on C and draw an arc. This point, see, already one protected point is there, don't confuse with that. This point, the arc point and this angle point is meeting is called, what is the third value? Third letter is A. That is third vertex is A. This is 5 centimeter. As usual, third side is not joined. Since it is triangle, just join the third side. Need not to measure anything. That's all. Triangle over. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.